Good day, everyone. It's good to be back again. Bitcoin is doing amazingly and amazingly well beyond everybody's expectation. You know, like I said the last time I made a video, the last video I uploaded, and I was talking about the fact that I likely see Bitcoin around this region again. If you remember, a couple of days ago when the last video I uploaded, Bitcoin was around that $26,000. You know, and Bitcoin is there to, I mean, one of the reasons why I'm glad about what Bitcoin is doing today is that it's proving a lot of people wrong. Bitcoin is proving a lot of people wrong, especially those in the mainstream. So let's look at the chart again. Let's look at it. Like I said the last time, there's practically, no resistance around this area that we have Bitcoin because a new all-time high. So we can be expecting anything. We should be expecting, anything from now. One of the major reasons that I feel uh, we will see a lot of new highs between now and the end of next year. Don't forget the end of 2021. We'll be seeing some retracement. That means price will come down. But eventually, I think we'll still be bullish till probably July, August, September next year. You know, we should still be bullish to them. But then before then, we'll be seeing a lot of prices coming down. But like I said in the last video, I strongly believe we should see at least 50,000. That's $50,000 to a Bitcoin. Now, having said that, now I feel the next stop, from here, because there's no resistance there, there's no price history. If you go to the weekly chart, okay, you can see that the price, the highest that Bitcoin did, during that was 2017. As you can see, it's 19,800. It was the historical highest that it did then. So which it has already broken. And now we've seen another high at $28,598. So this is, and this is up, and this just happened, I think last week. This high price happened last week. So what we are seeing now, right now, is that we should see another high being for because it's closed. So the next stop should be around $30,000 around this address. Because the reason is not because Bitcoin has touched that place before. The reason is because $30,000 is a major it's another whole number. Let me use that word. We have the 10,000 region. Before Bitcoin broke the 10,000 region, it took a while. It took a while before it broke that 10,000 region. Then we have the 20,000 region. She broke this year. In 2017 was around 19,800. That was the highest. So it has broken that 20,000 region. That's another whole number, right? So we're having another whole number, which is around that 30,000. So everybody's eye is on that 30,000. So, peradventure, and it's very close there. So peradventure, when it touches that 30,000, we'll see a reversal from there. So Bitcoin is just in a world of its own. Having said that, you also notice that other coins are actually they're actually coming after Bitcoin. It doesn't seem to be okay. Let me see. Let's check on market cap and let us see Bitcoin dominance. You can see Bitcoin dominance at 70%, which is huge. Which is huge. That's dwarf every other coin. Ethereum that we even expect that for personally, I personally feel Ethereum should be around that $1,000. And by the way, Ethereum is still a very good buy around this price. And I'm going to show you on the chart why you should buy Ethereum now. And not this is I'm telling you, if you don't have Ethereum, go and buy it now. At least buy and hold it when it gets to 1,000. I'm going to go to the chart and show you why I think so. Okay, so let me show you the Ethereum chart so that you see what I'm saying. This is the 1 day, right? So the Ethereum chart should be around, let's see what we're trying to see. Ethereum, okay, Ethereum BTC. I want to show you this chart. If you really understand that video course, that video course I shared with you, you understand that we are having a very good setup around this area. I'm on the daily chart actually. You will notice that there's already support. This candlestick that formed like 2-3 days ago has already, formed a support, a very strong support. The support was formed around this 22,000 Satoshi, and then it moved up. So if this support hold, this support hold, which you see Ethereum, which I'm believing is going to hold. Okay, you see it move up to this around this axis. Sorry, this is the first. This is going to be the first resistance we're going to see, which is around 33,000 Satoshi, which is about $1,000 thereabout. If I'm not mistaken, that should be around probably um $900. I'm not sure, but I'll check up. But but what I'm saying, what I want you to pay attention on is this support that it has formed. So we should definitely see it move on from it. This is a very strong support on the daily chart. So I'm believing at least it should move up to this address. It should move up to this address. So if we go to, let's check Ethereum and USDT. You notice that this chart looks different because the other chart I checked was Ethereum against Bitcoin. This one is Ethereum against Bitcoin because Bitcoin is stronger. Bitcoin has been, moving high since a couple of days, so it's pulling down. You know, it's pulling down the Ethereum. If you understand the trading pair, Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? But already we've seen a support here. So what I feel is that as soon as Bitcoin relaxes, as soon as probably Bitcoin starts dropping, Ethereum should move up. You should see it move up, like I said, at least to this point. If you break this resistance, then it move up to around this axis. It's another strong resistance. But this is the first point of call. So if you have not bought Ethereum, if even if you just want to do short-term trade, I think this is the best time you can come in and just hold. Probably you sell around this area. You don't need to hold till forever if you just want to do a short-term trade. So you should be thinking of buying some Ethereum around this area. So that is it about Ethereum. So I feel Ethereum stays strong by based on this setup. Okay, it's a very good setup for you to buy. I actually bought some more around this axis. As soon as I saw this support, I bought around this area again. I bought some more and it went up and I'm still waiting, you know. So that is it about Ethereum. So like I said, at least we should see Ethereum around $1,000. So having said that, let's also look at XRP because I know a lot of folks, a lot of people are holding XRP. You know, um, like the case against them. What I actually feel, I was discussing with somebody the other day. What I actually feel will happen is, they will be fine. They will just find them, and then because it is very important for everybody to understand that if the SEC bring down SRP, is going to affect every other cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, some people are already saying that it's also going to affect coins like Link, like SLM, and the rest. So it's a battle that is for everybody. The SEC should not be allowed to win this battle. I'm hoping that it's not going to be a massive. They're not going to um, ask them to pull off the whole thing. But I believe strongly that they will just find them. So I still strongly believe that we should see XRP move up a little bit because I believe they'll come out of this. They'll definitely come out of this. Okay. So having said that, the last time we were talking about the last video I posted, I spoke about institutional bodies buying Bitcoin, which is one of the reasons why Bitcoin is moving up. Another reason why I feel Bitcoin will do very well next year is adoption. And for example, let's look at this story. This is a very big story. NFL Panthers Russell Okong becomes first NFL player to be paid in Bitcoin. This is big. The moment you have sports personalities start accepting Bitcoin, you have the likes as NFL, the American National Football League, and they probably go to imagine if Ronaldo Ronaldo, the footballer, says he wants to accept his next payment in Bitcoin. So this is good for the space. This kind of news is very good for the space. And by the way, this guy is a Nigerian. It's my brother. He's a Nigerian that is raised in the United States. So say pay me in Bitcoin has come true for National Football League player Russell Okon. Some 20 months and a 273% price increase after he first tweeted that demand he made through 2019. So he actually tweeted this in last year, 2019, May, that he should be paid in Bitcoin. So they say Okon will be the first player from any major US poly to be paid in Bitcoin. So I think it's a very good news, a very, very good news. And it's something that everybody should be excited about. Let's look at that his first tweet where he asked them to pay him in Bitcoin. Okay, this is a tweet. He said, pay me in Bitcoin. So the guy said, pay me in Bitcoin. I mean, it is good for the space, like I said. I mean, this is one of the things that we're talking about adoption. The more people come in, the more people uses Bitcoin, the better for everybody, the better for every other cryptocurrency in the space. So this is a very good news as far as I'm concerned. So that is it about what I just want to share with you guys today. If I have any other thing, I'll let you know. So basically, like I said, um, um, I feel people will come out of this issue. I feel they'll come out of this issue just probably by just paying some fine. And like I said, pay attention to Ethereum. If you remember, I've been talking about people should pay attention to Ethereum since God knows when. And we have been buying, if you're in the paid group, in our WhatsApp paid group, you will notice that a lot of people have been buying Ethereum since when it was around, since when I started telling them to buy around that $190, $180, $200, you know. And if you are still holding it, then you should be well above 200% by now. So so if you want to join the group talking about that, I'm going to be dropping the link below, tradersabode.com. That's my website where you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. You can just follow that link, register, and then there's actually a free video on that website that you can watch for free. Then if you want to learn more, there's a detail of how you can do that, how you can make payment on the website. And then, then you also be added to the WhatsApp for free, for paying for the course. So thank you. I'll be dropping the group in the video in the link below. So guys, do have a nice day.